In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for marketing automation, real use cases plus tools, ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn routine marketing work into reliable AI-assisted workflows that save time and reduce errors. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the workspace and list where your marketing tasks live. If you're testing, consider using a staging list so you can experiment safely without interrupting live campaigns. Make sure you have the right permissions to build automations in that space, and take a quick look at your fields, statuses, assignees, due dates, and tags, since these will power your rules. Next, open the automation panel. You'll usually see it in the top menu of your list or folder. This is your command center for building rules that run in the background. Think of automations as simple sentences. When something happens and certain conditions are true, do something else. This is where AI enhanced workflows start to take shape because you can standardize the moments when your team uses AI for content, analysis, or outreach. Choose Create Automation to get started. You can pick a template or build from scratch. Triggers can be things like a task being created, a status changing, or a field being updated. Conditions help you focus, so the rule only fires when it truly matters, like only on items tagged, blog, or webinar. Actions are what the automation does. Assign an owner, set a due date based on a timeline, move a status, add a comment with AI instructions, apply a template, or notify a channel. Now, customize for real marketing use. For lead intake, set a trigger when a new task is created in your CRM list. Add conditions for high priority leads, then auto assign to the right owner, set an SLA-based due date, and post a comment prompting the rep to use AI to draft a first outreach tailored to the lead's industry. For content production, when a task moves to draft, automatically mention the writer with guidance to run an AI pass for headline options and SEO keywords, and apply a checklist template for on-page elements. For social scheduling, when status changes to approved, set the publish date, duplicate the task into the social calendar, and notify the channel responsible for scheduling. Name your automations clearly, test them with sample tasks, and watch the activity log to confirm they run as expected. If something fires too often, tighten your conditions. Small, reliable rules compounded across your funnel deliver the biggest gains. That's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now set to automate the busy work while guiding smart AI usage exactly where it helps most.